gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down.
You don't stop for much, so don't let pneumococcal pneumonia break your stride. If you're 50 or older, you're at increased risk. Be proactive with Capvaxive, a vaccine specifically designed for adults to help protect against invasive pneumococcal disease and pneumonia caused by certain types of pneumococcal bacteria. Why Capvaxive? Capvaxive is the only vaccine that helps protect against the strains that cause 82% of IPD in adults 50 or older, compared with up to 54% by other pneumococcal conjugate vaccines. Don't get Capvaxive if you're allergic to the vaccine or its ingredients. Tell your doctor if you have a weakened immune system. Common side effects include injection site reactions, feeling tired, headache, muscle aches, and fever. Whether you're giving back to your community, running the show after retirement, or taking the lead at work and home, if you're 50 or older, ask your doctor or pharmacist about Capvaxive today. To find Capvaxive near you, visit findcapvaxive.com.